Lately guys, today I'm gonna show you some of my very mysterious looks. So stay tuned for that, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned till the end of the video so that you get to know what I really do with my not creative but at the same time some of the weird looks. For some people it will be weird, and for some people it will be funky, for some people it will be cool. Anyways, you're gonna find it later on. So as you can see that I just woke up, so now I'm just gonna moisture surge to my face with the Olay Regenerist ball. Uh, you know what? It's very important to hydrate your skin just before any kind of makeup or anything. So here comes the real fan, and inside it I will unveil all things needed for today's look, girls. Stay tuned till the end of the video. So for the brushes, I have some basic drugstore brushes from the Hilton Glow, and for the foundation, I'm gonna use the Smashbox 15. I'm gonna prime my skin. For the primer itself, I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation, Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and as you can see, it's already in the packed form, and I have removed the packaging, but at the same time, it's really good. Alright guys, I know that I look like a gay woman right now, so I'm gonna be some more of like a homo sapien picture in front of you in just a couple of minutes. So to start with, I'm gonna start with my Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour Hydrating Foundation. And let's get started. So I'm gonna dab it into my hand first and then take a chunk of it into my blender. Right, so I'm taking this chunk into my blender. See, it's so smooth that it's flowing. And it's a kind of a full coverage foundation, so you can also skip the concealer if you don't have dark circles. As you can see, I have dark circles beneath my eyes, so I have to go ahead with the concealer. So girls, you really will not focus on the brand that I'm using over here. So these are not sponsored or anything. These are just my own choice, because whenever I move to Sephora, I tend to pick up things which the beautician really suggests, or might be the salesperson really suggests for my skin. But it's completely up to you which full coverage foundation you want to go ahead with, and it's on the pricier side. So let me tell you the price of this. This costs around 3,300 INR. So I know it's a bit on the pricier side. So you can also go with the Maybelline full coverage foundation, which is new in the market, and I'll be doing some more videos with it also, so that you can get to know what kind of coverage it really gives. Is by L'Oreal Infallible, which is in True Match. Cover up everything because I have dark circles. You need not do so because all of you are beautiful, but at the same time I have dark circles, so I need to cover them. Please understand, girls. And even if I splash water on my face, you won't be able to get rid of my makeup because all of this is waterproof. Fine. Somewhere. So in moments I've gone from dopey toffee to something which is very very fresh. I guess you can see it is a very fresh skin now. Now comes the fun part, guys. Now we're going to go ahead with contour. So I take up my contour brush, which is by L'Oreal. It's a pro brush. For contour, I'm going to go ahead with the Smashbox step-by-step contour. So in this kit, you also have a pamphlet which says how to apply your contour, and you see that. It's really very good. For make sure you stroke it this way so that you can get all the dark shade here. And see, it's so very textured and very very pigmented, so that one swatch is more than just enough to get a I'll not say brown skin, or a chiseled skin, chiseled face. Do you see that? It's so pigmented. And it's very pigmented, guys. That is very pigmented, as you see. So now I'm going to go here with the big powder, which is the Maybelline Fit Me. So now I'm going to go ahead with the big powder, which is the Maybelline Fit Me big powder. And get baked. Time to go ahead with the favorite part of my entire tutorial, which is the Smashbox LA CoverGirl palette. And I bought this in the month of April, so I'm going to go ahead with the orange shade now. Sorry, it's peach. It's peach. This is very, very pigmented. Oh my god. Good. You're gonna take a little. Just don't be afraid of any kind of challenges or any kind of. Yeah, I know. I know I look like practical now. Always do cut the crease and fill them. What I do? Cut in the crease and fill them. So I'm gonna go with the darker shade right now, just to accentuate the green color. So I'm going with the shade brown. It's just by accentuating nothing else, and I'm cutting the crease of the brown. So I'm gonna go with the darker shade right now, just to accentuate the green color. So I'm going with the shade brown. It's just by accentuating nothing else, and I'm cutting the crease of the brown. Now I'm gonna go ahead with, I don't know how to pronounce it, but you can see the spelling over here. It's made in Poland, and it's base. It's an eyeshadow base. Be careful guys, it can leave out chunks on your application. Now as you can see, I will go with one of the glittery bases over here, like this base or this base, whatever. As I'm done with some part of the eye, and now as I'm done with some part of the eye, now I'm going to go ahead with the silver color to get a silverish tinge. And guys, it's basically playing with the colors.